Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 9.4. In exercise 9.4 we'll draw the bar graph. Okay, that the first question, a surveys of 120 school different students are done by the for the activities of the performing or does with the free time. First is a playing, a reading storybook, watching TV, listening to music and painting. The number of playing is 52, 54, 30, 20, 10 and 15. Okay, and ask the draw a bar graph is a result of about data taking scale is 1 unit, length is 5 student, and one question will ask which activity will perform most of the student of other playing. So first will be draw a bar graph. Bar graph is draw on the you a square paper, a graph paper. Okay, and in square paper is a 2 axis. Okay, now you write the first axis. Okay, and second will be vertically axis. Okay, and scale will be right. The top is given that scale is 1 unit is equal to 5 student. Okay, 1 unit. Where is the 1 unit? They will first point is 0 and between 1 square is called the 1 unit. Okay, so that I will taking up, this is the x value and this is the y axis. Okay, on the x axis will be performing activity. Okay, now that perform activity. Okay, and here will be write number of student will participate of activity, and the scale number of student will here, that scale will be used. Now we first square is 5, second is 10, next 15, 20. Okay, and okay, 20, and next is 25, 30, and the point of after 1 square is 1 unit is 35, 40 and 45 and 50. Okay, and the question is maximum number of student is 45, so you write the 50. And bar graph, they a rectangle square, rectangles will be shape. Okay, suppose that we first point first one, after 1 square is 2 is make a reading. Now playing is a 45, so your square will make you going on 45 and both line 45 and match. This is the first bar graph for the why you playing. Okay, in if you know any problem you write between, you write here is no any problem. Okay, and after will we make a color of by the pencil color, because sketch color you overlap your this type of colors. Okay, second is a reading storybook is 30. So after 1 square, left 1 square, next will be 2 points, and 30 is you make a 30, this is the 30 points, this and make 30 is the second bar. For the reading you write the reading storybook. Okay, and color the different color use. Okay, and bar graph you draw only a black pencil, not use the pen. Okay, third is a watching TV. A number of student is watching TV is 20. So you draw a 20 is here. Okay, now after one block you have 20, write the parallel line of y axis. Okay, and write in between a down each watching TV. Okay, and use the another color is decorated only, means okay. Next is a listening a music, is number of student is 10. Okay, in the given graph listening music is number of student is 10. So your graph will make a number of student 10 is here will be write music and color okay. And last is a painting, the number of student will be painting is 15. Now after one square you write 15, here is a 15, the length is now 15 is write the is number of student 15 is painting. Okay, and color. Okay, so this is the complete your bar graph, and according to bar graph you give the answer of given question is which activity perform most of the student are playing. So most of the playing with the which is the answer of first question is you write in your book, not write the on the graph paper, is write in your notebook there is which activity is playing. Okay, number second, the number of mathematics books sold a storekeeper is 6 continuous day a show, that is the day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and number of book is 65, 40, 30, 50, 25 and 70 is the number of books will be sold. And then the draw a bar graph, represent the from the information is given that information, choose the scale of your choice. Here will you show 65, 40, 30, 50, 20 and 30 is only this number will be left, all number will be multiply of the 10. Okay, so you have choose the scale. First will be draw a two axis. Okay, now first axis is called the x and second axis called the y. Okay, here will be y, and choose the scale. You have choose scale is 1 unit is equal to 10 books. You have choose 5 books, no problem. 5 books your bar graph is lengthy, longest, and 10 books will be your bar graph is small, but is not right adding wrong. Your scale, your bar graph is according to scale. Suppose your scale is choose 1 unit is equal to 5 book, so your bar graph is a longest, the distance will be long. Okay, and suppose you have unit is 10 books, it means your bar graph length is a low, but it is not wrong. Now fill that y axis 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80, then we write here we will y axis. Okay, this is the number of books, number of books. Okay, and here is a you show is day. Then first bracket is you write is Sunday. Second is a Monday. After 1 is a Tuesday. After 1 is a Wednesday. After 1 is Thursday. After 1 is a Friday, because according to question is given the number of days Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. They will write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and maximum number will be sold in 70. So in your graph will be maximum number is a 80. One more. Okay, now first is Sunday. Okay, this is the very important point. Suppose in 2 points will be 10 lines, between in 2 points is a 10 lines. Okay, so the first, suppose here is a 0, here will be 10, the middle line is a 5. Okay, the first is a 65. Monday will be sold in 65. Where is the 65? 65 is between 60 and 70. The midpoint is a 65. So you have point and join the lines. Okay, and second is a Monday is a 40. So there is the 40, and where is the Monday line? Your Monday line is 40. They point here and join the down point, and one block is a Monday. Okay, and Tuesday will ask 30 books. So 30 books will be here. Now this the point is parallel to, join the point of point and make a bar. The rectangle shapes is called the bar graph. Wednesday is a 50. Where is the 50? This is 50 and joined is 50. Is a 50. Okay, and next is a Thursday is a 20. Where is the 20? The second block will be 20. Now second block is a 20, and third is a 70. Friday will be 70. The 70, where is the 70? This is the point of 70, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 block will be 70. The 70. Okay, they complete the bar graph and use the color. Color the each or different color will be used. Okay, color will be show the days. Okay, so this is the complete your bar graph. Okay, scale will be compulsory. Okay, next question number 3rd. Following table show the number of bicycle is manufacturing the factory during the year 1989, 1998 and 2002. Evaluate the data using the bar graph. Choose the scale on your choice. The year will be given 1998, 99, 2000, 2001 and 2002. The number of bicycle manufacturing is 800, 600, 900, 1100 and 1200. Maximum is a 1200. Okay. Now in which year will be maximum number of cycle is manufacturing? In which year is a minimum number of bicycle will be manufacturing? Okay. So first we will make a bar graph. That is the bar graph. Okay, first will be axis and scale. Here will be, you see, the all data will be multiply of the 100. Okay, they will start to scale is 1 unit is equal to 100. Okay, 100, what is this? 100 bicycle, that is the 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100 and 1200, 1300. Okay, and that write the y, and each number will be marked by the only use the pencil. Okay, and here will be write the year. Okay, so that's first right is a 1998. After one block is 1999, and after one block is 2000 and 2001 and 2002. This is the show by the year. After this company, and this is the number of bicycle. Okay, now draw. Now start. Here is 1998 is a 800 bicycle. There is the 800 bicycle. So you have point is here and draw the line. Okay, that will start, and first bar is 800. 1999 is 600. Where is the 600? This is the point of 600, and one block is 100. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 block is a 600. Next is a 2002. 2002 is a number of bicycle is 900. You show that 2002 is bicycle is 900. So you have draw 900. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so after 9 block, you not count the block, so you have find here is a line is 900. Where is the 900 and 900 match? Okay, next is a 2001 is 1100. Where is the 1100? This is the 1100, this line. Okay, now 1100. Next is a 2002 is 1200. So where is the 1200? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So write that 1200 bicycle. Okay, and finish the work. Then last work will be draw. Use the pencil color. Okay, color. Okay, now 99 you draw. Suppose you draw green color, blue color, red color, any choose the color. It is the like a good, showing the good bar graph. Okay, next is it is clear the color is not outside of bar graph. Okay, and last will be okay. So you have first question is asked in which year the maximum number of bicycle will be sold. That the first question is in which year is when the maximum number of bicycle manufacturing. Okay, that the answer of first is answer is, and B is answer maximum number of bicycle. The maximum number of bicycle is 12,000 is to year 2002. It is right only notebook, not graph. Okay, and B is a minimum. Minimum is a, which is the minimum? 600 in year 1999. Okay, this very important. It is your notebook. Okay, suppose it is your notebook and write the question, and this is the graph. Will be remaining part will be is cut. Okay, remaining part is a cut by this ruler and scale is a remaining part will be cut. Okay, and paste, a full paste, not very important. Their student are fold paste in this type. I will not check your copy and not give the marks in notebook. They are paste, full paste on the copy before you write the question, and then the answer is a paste in your notebook, and write the 2 questions and answers. Okay, this is very important. Now next is a question number 4. Now question number 4 is asked is number of person will be various age group is a town is given in the following table. The age group is 1 to 14, 15 to 29, 30 to 44, 44 to 59, and 60 to 72, and above of age of 75. And 2 lakhs, 1,60,000, 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 80,000, and 40,000. They are number of people in this age group. They ask draw a bar graph of represent above information, and taking a length is 1 unit is 20,000. Okay, so now a bar graph will be drawing a question number 4. Okay, it is given that the 1 unit is 20,000, and downside I write the age groups according to tables. Okay, after one block will be remaining. Okay, the age group is 1 to 14, 14, 15 to 29, and 13 to 40, 45 to 54, 60 to 74, and above 75. This is the x-axis is, and here will be distance is according to graph is 20,000, 40,000, 60,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000, and going up 2 lakhs. Okay, according to question is first is age group is 1 to age group is 1 to 14 is age group is given 2 lakh. So you have 2 lakh is this is the point of 2 lakh. You have joined this 2 point is age group 1 to 14 is 2 lakhs. The first age group person number of person is 2 lakhs. Okay, now second is given 15 to 20 is 1,60,000. This is the 1 20 40 60 80 1 lakh 1 lakh 20 1 lakh 40 1 lakh 60. So that is the 1 lakh 60, and this bar graph will be going on 1 lakh 60. The 2 points will make and join the point, make a rectangle shape of the bar, and 160 1,60,000. Second is age group 30 to 40 is given 1,20,000. You have shown the table is given is age group 30 to 40 is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 is 1,20,000 here, and age group is 30 to 40, and join the point. Okay, next is a 45 to 59 is a number of person is 1,20,000 is the same. 1,20,000 is the same. It means 2 groups are same number of person. Okay, next is a age group 60 to 74 is number of person 80,000, only 80,000. You have draw 80,000 means 2 4 1 2 3 4 is similar to here, and come back. Okay, and last above is 75 is only 40 means 2. you draw by the pencil. Okay, pencil and ruler. Okay, after finish the graph, you have fill the color. You have choose any color. Okay, and fill by very careful, because there are no color outside of the rectangle. It's called the bar. Now this is the complete your question. Okay, and in this question is asked two questions. First is question is asked which two age group have same population. So that the first question is same population is there is a same population is age group is age 30 to 40 and 45 to 59. They are same group, and ask the all the person will be age group is 60 and above are called the senior citizen. How many senior citizen in on the time? So this is a senior citizen is 70 820,000.